sa'yo. Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang na tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. No si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila? Talagang ganyan, huwag mo nang patulan. Wala lang magawa, kaya sila'y nagkakaganyan. No si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila? Sino ba sila? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kay Guevara. Ayun, napakagaling na bata, no? Sana dinagdagan mo pa yung kanta mo. Or can we request more from you later on? Now, may we again invite our Honorable Mayor, Vice Mayor, and Honorable Councilor to please join us here on stage again as we, this time, distribute the Certificate of Appreciation to the VOW Desk Evaluators. Ayan. So let me read first, also, of course, the citation of the certificate. Certificate of Appreciation is given to as one of the evaluators of the search for Best Barangay VOW Desk held during the 2023 Women's Month celebration, given this 31st day of March 2023. Ayan. This certificate is presented to PSS G. Etimat P. Palawan. Same citation is also given to PSSG Jeanette B. Dineros. Same citation is also given to PSSG Michelle L. Villamora. Same citation is given to PS2 Pat Teresa B. Lopez. Same citation is also given to Eden T. San Andres. Same citation is also given to Attorney Hazel Ode Biocareza. Same citation is given to Cheryl Ann Climacosa Malate. Same citation is given to Maria Luisa C. Patanao. Same citation is given to Amparo Vergara. And same citation is given to Angelina O. Panimdim. Ayan, palakpakan po ulit natin ang ating mga desk evaluators. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Now, high time to give the awards for this evening. We will now be awarding the Best Barangay Vow Desk. Ayan. We'll award first the third place to receive 10,000 worth of projects. Wow. Congratulations to Barangay Carolina. Ayun sila. Congratulations. You are this year's third place winner for the Best Barangay Vow Desk. Ayan. Punta po kayo dito to claim your award. Ayan. That's 10,000 pesos worth of project for Barangay Carolina. Our second place for this year, the best in Barangay Vow Desk, is Barangay to receive 15,000 pesos worth of projects. Barangay Santa Cruz. Barangay Santa Cruz. Congratulations po. You will be receiving 15,000 peso worth of project. And this year's grand winner for our Best Barangay Vow Desk to receive 20,000 peso worth of project. Congratulations, Barangay Del Rosario. Ngayon, tuwang-tuwa sila. Congratulations, you are this year's Best Barangay Vow Desk. Again, congratulations to all our winners. Thank you po, Honorable Mayor, Vice Mayor, City Councilors. And maraming salamat po. I know all of you are very much excited for the most exciting part of this evening's event. Pero bigyan po muna natin sila ng konti pang panahon para makapag-ready sa inyong lahat. So we'll be back later this evening.